In this video, we'll learn how to get the current date and time using the command line in Ubuntu. This is useful when you need to check the system time or when you're writing shell scripts. Being able to quickly access and format the date and time is essential for managing system tasks and automating processes efficiently. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl Alt T on your keyboard. Now, type the following command and press Enter. Date. This will show you the current date and time based on your system settings. You'll see the day of the week, month, day, time zone, and year. If you want to see the time only, you can use date plus %t. This prints only the time in hours, minutes, and seconds. To show just the date, use this, date plus %d. This gives you the date in month, day, and year format. That's how you get the date and time using the command line in Ubuntu. Simple and useful. Thanks for watching.